Hi, today you are going to learn how to put a table into your web page. It could be any size you want. For this one, we're just going to do like a quick 3 by 4 maybe table. So the first thing you're going to do is it has to be in the body. We're going to tab over and start with table. And it automatically is going to add my ending tag. So I'm going to put some space in between there. And now I want to start with a heading, T head. And I want to put some space in there. And then my first row, table row. I'm going to put 3 things here. So I'm going to put name. My second column I want age. And my third column I'm going to put, I don't know, school. And I'm going to save it, Command S, and then I'm going to preview it so you can kind of start to see how this is going to build. So you can see name, age, school. They're bolded because I put it in as a heading, TH. All right, so this row is done. So I'm actually going to clean this up a little bit so they're lined up there. And so that's our table heading. That's along the top. Now I'm going to start my table body. T body. Give me some space. And okay, so I'm going to start with my body, and the first thing I need to put in is the table row. And in this first row, I'm going to have my first bit of data, TD, is that his name is Nate. And then I just copied and pasted that because then the next thing I want, so first is name, next is age, 18. And I'm going to Command V and paste that again. And now his school is the Navy. So here's my row. My row is going to go across Nate, then 18, the Navy. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to go back to my preview. So this is the heading that I set up. So this is this part right here. And now here is our first row across Nate, 18, Navy. So you can kind of start to see how this is going to start setting up. Now I need another table row, TR, and my first data, table data. My next one is Noah. That's the name. Copy it, Command C, paste it, Command V, and he is 15. And his school is Glenbard North. Save it, Command S. Go back to my preview. Oh, what did I do here? So see how it's starting to go across. If I wanted to add another row or another column, maybe I wanted name, age, school, and my next heading is going to be favorite sport. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now Nate's favorite sport, his next table data, TD, is volleyball. Save it. See how it filled it in there. Noah lacrosse. And then if I wanted to put another line in or another row, I can Command C, copy this, Command V, and now I can just change this for Emma. Emma is 14. She also goes to Glenbard North, and she is a swimmer. So notice all of this should actually be over. I'm going to start lining this up nice and pretty. So this table row should line up. And so notice this is the opening tag and this is the ending tag. And here's my table, ending tag. So now if I wanted something else, I would put it after or before the table. So this whole thing is the one table. And notice there's no lines. That's okay. We're just literally starting to set this up so far. But this is what you should see when you make a table.